Ethereum sucks, and you suck if you think that Ethereum doesn't suck. Alright, I'm gonna pull it back for a second. I'm not normally that mean or that confrontational or that aggressive. But, I mean, when are we gonna talk about it? The elephant in the room, I'm so sick and tired of these Ethereum gas fees. Right? They said EIP 1559. Well, you know, there's a lot of debate about if it was going to do this or said that or the way it was marketed, whatever. The fact of the matter is, why did they implement Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559 and now the gas fees are worse? They're predictably worse. That's great. So look, if you know me, my name is Vos. This is the VoskCoin YouTube channel, so smash the subscribe button. I love crypto. Ethereum GPU mining is what got me into crypto several years ago. This is going to be some video whining or crying about GPU mining and whatever else. I'm actually a huge DeFi user, decentralized finance. I love all the DeFi dapps. Guess what? I'm a nerd. I like NFTs too. That's non-fungible tokens if you don't know. But guess what? I'm using other blockchains like the Binance Smart Chain or Solana or Fantom. Why? Because I can transact for, it's way under pennies on the dollar, right? So it's hundreds of dollars, right? Depending when you use Ethereum to do anything, where maybe you're paying $1, 2 cents on some of these other blockchains. Fractions, micro amounts in comparison. It's not okay. But you know what is okay? Tails, our resident Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and the owner of the channel. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. Join us on our crazy crypto journey. Today, it's a pretty simple video. We're going to be talking about how Ethereum sucks, where did they go wrong, and who is busting through the door because Ethereum has left it wide open. Yeah, to put it simply, Ethereum is beating themselves. If you've ever wanted to mine Bitcoin, then you should head to minewithcompass.com and learn how they're making it possible for everyone to mine Bitcoin now. They sell Bitcoin miners, they will connect you with facilities, co-location, which enables you to host your Bitcoin miners with some of the best Bitcoin mining farms in the world. Click the link below to learn how you can start mining with Compass today. I can talk about it, I can rant about it, but how about I just show you? Okay, so look at these gas fees. TLDR, they are atrocious. Okay, and earlier they were unbelievable, and this is happening like almost every day, right? So, like, you want to do a trade on Uniswap, the biggest decentralized exchange here on Ethereum, looking at like $200-300 for the trade. That's insane. Do you know how much volume you have to do in a trade on a centralized exchange to pay $300 in fees? Just absolutely unreal. Good job, Ethereum developers. You're absolutely killing it. But some people are like, oh, but you know, Ethereum is getting record high use. I mean, is it though? Because statistically, it's not. So that's daily active Ethereum addresses. Here are the daily active ERC20 addresses. So we have basically 250,000 active ERC20 addresses daily. And then we have about, you know, round up kind of here, 500,000 active daily Ethereum addresses. Look, I'm not a Binance show or anything like that. I don't care. Okay. I don't like Ethereum or Binance at this stage of the game, but we look at the daily active Binance Smart Chain addresses, 1 million. Okay. 1 million. It's not just some little spike. It's been around 1 million and it's only gaining more and more traction. Then you have active BEP20, which is, you know, if you don't know, Binance Smart Chain is Binance's clone of Ethereum and it runs on proof of stake. You know, that's the summary there. Active Binance Smart Chain BEP20 addresses here between 1 and 3 million. And yeah, that is a little ridiculous. And there are a lot of scammy airdrops on BSC. Things that can't even happen because the gas fees are just absolutely absurd, insane on the Ethereum blockchain. But I also bring this up, and we recently talked about Binance Smart Chain, NFTs and stuff like that, but the PancakeSwap NFT ecosystem is evolving. How? And if you don't know, this is the biggest decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain. It's the Uniswap for the Binance Smart Chain, if you know that makes sense to you. NFT marketplace, non-fungible token marketplace. They're bringing probably, hopefully if they do it right at all, a good marketplace for NFTs to the Binance Smart Chain. It's going to explode if they do it right at all. But you may be like, but what about my boy SBF? Because he said, F you, I'm buying as much SOL as you have for $3. And guess what? I'm an idiot because I read that tweet and I didn't spend every dollar and every crypto I had to load up. Look at SOL today, Solana, the 7th biggest cryptocurrency now when ranked by CoinMarketCap. Right now trading at $173 per token, just down a casual $20 from its all-time high of almost $200 per token. Needless to say, it's a lot more than $3 a token now. Only 100 SOL is almost 20 grand right now. We talked about Bold Badgers. Me and the boys in the Discord server were trying to mint it. Some people were successful, but most people were not. Pretty frustrating. Looking at Solana art, which has just not been that great for my, very limited user experience here. They have the Bold Badger squad listed up here. You can look at the floor. This is the lowest price here. I mean, they have cool art. A lot of people think that this could, have a big upside as far as NFTs go in the Solana blockchain as they continue to gain price, interest, and momentum. That means that popular projects right now are really set in like a first mover advantage position to just succeed there. And if you want to stay up to date with NFTs and everything like that, then you're going to really want to join the VoskCoin Discord server. We have an incredible community in there. And these guys, they hunt NFTs day and night. We also have an NFT channel. I mean, that's where the leaks are. That's where the alpha is. Obviously, using Ethereum really sucks right now. So a lot of people are looking to use Cardano, ADA. And guess who doesn't suck? How about the sponsor of today's video, ADASwap? They claim they're going to be the next gen DEX, and they're based on Cardano. And by don't get it twisted, that was decentralized exchange. DEX is what I just said. Okay, so swap, bridge, and trade between Cardano-based tokens and stablecoins within seconds. Learn more about ADASwap.app with the link out in the video description below. Spoiler, I'm really excited for some things to actually be built and we see some usability with Cardano ADA. Let's see some actual use of that blockchain. And you may be like, but Vosk, I thought you used to mine. I thought you were going to talk about mining and stuff. Well, I am, but the big catalyst for using the blockchain right now is NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They're all the rage. They have so much hype, interest, FOMO across the board. People are truly becoming millionaires, buying and selling the right NFTs or minting their own collection and finding success with that. So I'm not shilling them, I'm not pumping them or whatever else, but it's just a fact of the matter. And Ethereum again has that first mover advantage here. Ethereum could easily be $10,000 a coin, easily, if their gas fees were not atrocious. Without a doubt. Honestly, if Ethereum was transacting for pennies on the dollar, we would see above $10,000 per Ether, or 1 ETH in Ethereum coin. It's technically an Ether, but hey, nobody cares about that stuff anymore. If you go on TikTok, they'll tell you about ripples. Yep, you can go and buy ripples, you'll be rich. Okay, so we'll bounce back to NFTs, but let's talk a little bit more about just Ethereum. I'll look at my mining revenue real quick, and then just everything that is EIP 1559. So I don't even want to get into all the drama and debate. Just the TLDR is that EIP 1559 sucks because it has not fixed the gas fees that we're dealing with here. And above all, it's made gas fees worse, and I'm gonna leave it at that. But guess what? You're all excited that we've burned all this Ethereum. I mean, that's great if you're an Ethereum dev or you're just an Ethereum whale and you're hodling a bunch of ETH. But ETH, to me, after they abandoned miners, has been a way for me to make passive income with cryptocurrency and trade those coins, that Ethereum, into other cryptocurrencies. I've been very successful with that. Furthermore, if you just kind of get kicked to the curb and abandoned, it's hard to really, have any allegiance there. Yet I still have had a bag of Ethereum. Why? Because it has such a big upside, being the first mover on decentralized finance, having the big catalyst for that launched on their own blockchain like Uniswap that everybody forked, and the whole sushi swap drama. But it was really at the epicenter, right? And so I get it. I view Ethereum as a money-making tool that hates miners, and hey, I'm a miner, love it or not. Speaking of mining revenue, this is how dense people are sometimes. It blows my mind. Okay, so your USD maybe is up, but the amount of Ethereum I am mining, post EIP 1559 was down like 30%, 25% or so. Now it's down even more significantly. And my hash rate has dropped a little bit here as well if you've been following along with my Ethereum mining revenue updates. But the fact of the matter is that things are just not going that well on the Ethereum mining front. But let's translate my Ethereum mining profits yesterday to a USD point of view. The market is pulled back today, but a lot of people think that it's going to just skyrocket and take off from here, and maybe we'll see a Christmas dump. I know, it's making the jokes, I'm gonna watch the market pool. It's 2017. So crazy stuff, and still here, at play, on the table, potential, right? So, but the 0.02 Ethereum I mined here translates to about $71. So I'm mining, say $70 a day before my electric bill. It's not that much, maybe 65 bucks I'm clearing, and Ethereum has pulled back. This would have been more closer to 75 plus dollars before the market corrected here over the last day or so. Again, Ethereum is just abysmal to use, and it's really opened the door for other blockchains, like we've talked about Fantom, right? And Fantom and the NFTs and Fantom enabled creator economy, they have really pivoted and pitched this way. NFT sales in July reached 364 million, a 506% jump versus June, and 1,300% increase since January. Crazy times. They have things like Fantom, and it's fun. You pop it open and you can find a Fantom, and if you think it's cool, you like it, you can mint it. You can duel them, and there's a market, and you get RIP'd, put in the graveyard, stuff like that. But the way I get FTM tokens is I sneak into Binance.com with a VPN, so they don't know it's me, because I'm a US citizen. I got banned, right? But you can't even withdraw on the FTM network, and this is going to be the main gateway to get FTMs. And so, if you don't know, we've covered it before, but you can simply add it to your MetaMask. And so I have Fantom Opera in there, but I've spent all my FTMs minting tokens and whatever else. So while I think that they have gained momentum here, I think they're going to lose some steam without a behemoth like Binance basically offering them support. Just a couple of days ago, I talked about the crazy a train, how I received an NFT, and I'll post my address down below if you guys want to send me anything fun or crazy to share on YouTube. One of the awesome subscribers just sent me 6 pixels from the 121 pixels collection. But basically, I went down this rabbit hole and I found Planet Waifu, right? And so I went over there, I minted a Waifu, cost me a couple $100, but I already have an offer for 100 and or 0.169 WETH or wrapped Ethereum. It's Ethereum trade on top of the Ethereum blockchain. I don't know if I'm an idiot for not accepting this offer, currently worth $600. That'd be 3xing my money. I think I've got a pretty cool waifu, I probably say it wrong here. This isn't some kind of NFT collection that took off. I promise you, they did not pay me. I'm not shilling this. I don't care at all. But so there's 10,000 plus 11,000 to mint. And so I minted like 608, I think, and that was this one, or 607. But it's just fun. I mean, watermelon background. I got a couple rare traits. This is a hit as far as this branding goes together, right? So fun stuff. Just keep it lively here on the channel. Keep it PG-13, my friends. If you're looking for something that doesn't suck, why don't you check out today's video sponsor, and that's gonna be Minto.finance. They say you can mine Bitcoin by staking BTCMT tokens, but what does that even mean, right? Unnecessary steps made mining easier than getting a BTC wallet. So look, you can't replace mining. You're setting up mining rigs and everything like that. But what they are doing here is basically a rewards token, and they have an IDO, an initial DEX offering, and they claim the best price you can get in on this project is going to be that pre-sale token price. So learn more about Minto.finance with our link in the video description below. By the way, you can also stake their token. Ethereum sucks, right? And so that was on OpenSea, the biggest NFT marketplace. They support a couple different blockchains, but really, it's just all about Ethereum. Everybody's looking at Ethereum NFTs, Ethereum this and that, but Ethereum is abysmal to use. You have to transact in the thousands and thousands of dollars, which boxes out so many users, so many just potential. It's just stagnating the growth so much. It's depressing. It's frustrating. And it's just kind of ridiculous. How can a project that had an ICO that has endless money, that they're rich beyond belief, they can't at least just hire the right people to fix this stuff? They could literally copy and paste what the Binance Smart Chain is doing and have a better blockchain. And a lot of people don't want to accept that or whatever else. And I'm not even here to do the proof of work versus proof of stake debate or anything like that. I can just tell you right now, whatever they're doing is not working. I don't know. I'm done. I don't want to get all ranty today. Some believe it that. That's just my quick update on, data, stats, why Ethereum sucks, and how it's opening the door for these other blockchains to absolutely skyrocket, not just in their token price, but also all of the NFTs and other tokens launching on top of these blockchains. Okay, so it's not just those platform tokens that are going to be skyrocketing, it's everything on top, because no one's going to be using ETH anymore because it's just a waste of time and money. Transactions are slow and they're super expensive. But if you want to increase your profitability, obviously it's not financial advice, subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel, smash the thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see in our next video. As always, I appreciate you guys who tune in every day. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Please be advised, there are scammers impersonating us on multiple platforms. I don't want your money, I just want you to smash that subscribe button. Everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. That means it's not financial advice.
When you let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?